Becoming a prosperous entrepreneur demands unwavering dedication, continuous innovation, and strategic acumen. Whether you're a novice embarking on your entrepreneurial journey or seeking to elevate your established enterprise, this comprehensive guide offers indispensable insights. It will navigate you through the crucial steps, ensuring you're primed for triumph. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos.
Finding your passion and product.
Successful entrepreneurs often hold a deep passion for their endeavors. Acknowledging this enthusiasm and aligning it with a profitable niche forms the foundation of your success. This fusion energizes your determination and tenacity, propelling you onward even during adversity. By embracing your passion and coupling it with a viable market, you cultivate a unique driving force that sustains you through difficulties. This synergy between personal zeal and strategic business decisions not only fuels innovation but also fosters a magnetic attraction for customers and partners who share in your enthusiasm, ultimately leading to enduring accomplishment.
Market research, identifying opportunities.
Thorough market research is vital for understanding customer needs, identifying market gaps, and uncovering potential business opportunities. This phase ensures that your product or service aligns with genuine market demands, effectively addressing customer requirements. By delving into this process, you gain insights that guide product development, marketing strategies, and overall business direction. A comprehensive understanding of your target market empowers you to tailor your offering to meet real-world needs, enhancing the likelihood of success. Creating a solid business plan. A well-structured business plan succinctly outlines your business goals, identifies your target audience, analyzes competition, provides detailed financial projections, and outlines growth strategies. This comprehensive document serves as a strategic roadmap, offering direction and clarity for your business journey. By setting clear objectives and detailing actionable steps, a business plan becomes a valuable tool for decision-making, attracting investors, and navigating challenges. Regularly reviewing and adjusting the plan ensures your business stays aligned with its vision and adapts to changing market conditions, ultimately steering your enterprise toward success. Building a strong brand identity. Your brand is your identity. It's how customers perceive you. Building a strong brand involves creating a compelling logo, choosing brand colors, and crafting a brand voice that resonates with your target audience. Consistency in messaging and visuals across all platforms reinforces brand recognition and fosters trust. Successful branding communicates values and establishes an emotional connection, making your business memorable. It's an ongoing process that requires understanding your audience, adapting to their preferences, and evolving with market trends to maintain a relevant and impactful brand presence. Developing a unique value proposition. A unique value proposition, UVP, distinctly showcases the differentiating factors of your product or service compared to competitors. It should directly address a particular problem or need that your target audience is seeking a solution for. By effectively communicating the benefits and advantages your offering provides, a well-crafted UVP captures attention and resonates with potential customers. This clear and compelling statement not only defines your brand's competitive edge but also establishes a strong connection between what you offer and the specific desires or pain points of your intended market, ultimately driving engagement, conversions, and business success.
Funding your venture, exploring options.
Entrepreneurial ventures often require funding. Explore various funding options such as bootstrapping, angel investors, venture capital, or crowdfunding, and choose the one that aligns with your business needs. Building your team. A successful entrepreneur recognizes the vital significance of assembling a capable team. Enlist individuals who enhance your strengths and share your overarching vision. By cultivating a team that possesses diverse talents and aligns with your mission, you foster an environment where each member's expertise contributes to the overall success of the enterprise. Collaboration, innovation, and effective problem-solving are nurtured within such a team dynamic. Assembling a well-rounded team not only bolsters your business operations but also cultivates a supportive network that propels growth and navigates challenges with collective proficiency.
Product or service development.
Crafting a high-quality product or service is paramount in establishing customer trust. Dedicate your efforts to creating something that effectively addresses a challenge or enriches the lives of your clientele. By prioritizing excellence and innovation, you demonstrate your commitment to meeting their needs. A superior offering not only differentiates your brand but also fosters loyalty and positive word of mouth. Delighting customers with genuine value builds lasting relationships and fuels your business's reputation. Strive to be a solution provider, delivering experiences that exceed expectations and solidify your position as a trusted provider in the marketplace. Effective marketing and promotion strategies. Marketing plays a pivotal role in drawing in customers. Employ a combination of online and offline strategies, encompassing social media engagement, content marketing initiatives, collaborations with influencers, and strategic deployment of targeted advertising. These multifaceted approaches enable you to connect with your intended audience through digital platforms, like social media networks, while also leveraging content-driven strategies to educate and engage.
Sales and customer relationship management.
Transforming leads into sales demands proficient sales strategies. Equally important is nurturing robust customer relationships, guaranteeing repeat transactions and favorable word-of-mouth recommendations. Adept sales techniques involve understanding customer needs, articulating product benefits, and addressing objections. Personalized interactions, active listening, and timely follow-ups amplify customer engagement. Satisfied clients are more likely to return and advocate for your brand, thus boosting reputation. Establish loyalty programs, provide exceptional post-sales support, and seek feedback for continuous improvement. Adapting to challenges and pivoting. Challenges are inevitable in entrepreneurship. The ability to adapt and pivot when necessary is essential. Don't be afraid to change your approach if it's not yielding the desired results.
Continuous learning and improvement.
Stay updated with industry trends and continuously enhance your skills. Attend workshops, read books, and seek mentorship to remain ahead of the curve. Becoming a successful entrepreneur requires passion, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt. By following these steps and maintaining a proactive mindset, you can navigate the challenges and reap the rewards of entrepreneurship. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing information, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.